Build car objects with PHP. Real-life examples for beginners. The car class has the following properties. Color, which is fundamental for any object, and lights. The constructor of the require all fundamental parts and properties of the car. In this case the lights are not fundamental, so we can add them on later phase to our objects. For now we allow adding of lights trough method. We also allow chaining of the color. Let's now change the color of the car from blue to yellow.
As any object in the real world, the car has many related components. In OOP, separating the components into classes is a good practice. Let's create the light class.
The car has many lights, on the front, on the back, on the left and right side sometimes. We are creating a class that hold all kind of light in the car. In this case front lights. The both lights are required in class constructor because they are fundamental.
Now we have the lights collection and we can add them to the car. We gon' use BMW object created earlier. Let's turn the left light on and see what's happen.
Now, let's turn the right front lights as well. PHP read output.
When you have particular class, you are able to create as much objects as you want. In this case we can create many car objects and attach them to the road classes it in the real world. One road has many cars.